Hello everyone, welcome you all. This is Suresh from SDET Mission channel. Today we're going to learn about Python input variables. So how we pass the data to our program and how we accept the user input data in a runtime. So let's get started. And in case if you are new to this session, please watch my earlier session where we have discussed about Python variables. So let's get started. So let me create a new Python file. So you need to go to project and right click, go to new, and you have a Python file. So in this one, I'm gonna use Python inputs, right? Now, so how we need to provide our user inputs? So which function will help us to provide the user input during our runtime? So there is an function called input. So this is a function where we can write or give the values in a runtime. So for example, I wanted to take a user name. So let's say I will give what is your name. So this is a name I wanted to accept whenever I run my program. So for this we can use string variables inside this input, or you can directly provide this input function and call this input function. So I'm going to name this input as name equal to input function. So I'm assigning this entire input function to a variable. Then I will call that variable. So as soon as I call that variable, that will prompt me to write my name. So how I gonna use this one? So if I go to new line, then I try to do some print. So print, I'm gonna type this hello. So I'm gonna write hyphen. Then how we going to concatenate any variables with a string using a plus symbol? So using that plus symbol, I'm gonna concatenate name. So I'm gonna save and quickly run this program. Now here in the prompt window, you can see what is your name. It is asking us to provide input. So click here and write something like this. So I just typed my name and I'm gonna hit enter. So it says hello Suresh. So this is how we enter our details using a input function. Now using some more variables, like I'm gonna continue this program. I'm gonna add few more details. So for example, age equal to input. So I will say what is your age? So here it will accept or call for name and then after age. So similarly, I'm gonna use print function. So I will say you are so young, and I'm gonna use this hyphen symbol and then concatenate. Then I'm gonna use this age. Then I wanted to get their location, so where they are staying or from which country they are from. So I'm going to use this called location as a variable. Location equal to input, so input function, and I will ask where are you from. So similarly, I will call one more print function. I will say that's a cool place. So this is the location, right? So now we have used three different variables and we have called three different input functions. Let me rerun this and let me right click and run this. So now it is asking me to enter name. So I'm going to enter Suresh. Then it is asking for age group. So let's say for say I will give age as 40, right? Then it is asking me to enter where are you from. I'm from India. So this is how it provides all the details. So this is how generally we used to see in the bots, right? So whenever you are interacting with the bot, so bot has some predefined questions. Whenever you enter your name or whenever you provide any details, so it will immediately provide you some predefined questions in that. So as soon as you enter those details, it will again ask you for enter another question. Similarly, we can code a bot here, so chat bot. So this is represent how we interact with our system. I have explained you small examples now. You can give a try of your own example of representing a chat bot like an Amazon or Flipkart, how you try to interact with customer service and how they provide you questions. Even in the banking network sites, you can see the similar kind of questions. So you can give a try and come back to me. And if you have any questions, queries, do comment in my comment box. I will help you out. And I hope this session is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.